Okay, so my boyfriend's playing with the dog and it's funny.
Up you go! Up you go! Oh, don't bite me!
My name's Joey. I didn't shit my diaper.
My name's Joey, I can shit my diaper.
How did he say it?
I shit my diaper. This is what my cousin Joey said to me once. I shit my diaper.
127. 127.
Oh. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, full of shit.
Go for legs.
Joey. Joey, I didn't shit my diaper.
Hey Joey, you know who cries? Babies. Oh, do you guys want to see a cool thing I can do with my stomach?
What?
Wait, watch. See? Skinny. Watch this.
The dog's looking at you, babe.
Chris is pregnant.
Babe, look, the dog's looking at you.
Hey guys, wait, Bruno, want to see something? I know how to make myself look pregnant. Watch.
It's not.
Babe, the dog's staring at you. Babe.
Ray's dog is staring at you.
Oh, he likes it.
Look, she's staring at you.
Hi! What's your name? I'm Chris.
You know, guys, babies. You do not have to pee.
Wait it on, you know. No. Okay. I'm doing Randy Orton. Oh, come on! Fine, I'll be yours. Make it happen. Yes. Okay.
3,333.
I don't know why. Oh.
Looks like he's humping.
Look, he's humping the couch. Ray, your dog's humping the couch.
Ew.
Make.
Oh, who's the hardest? You do it.
The dog just looked at you. Look.
Separate and not hardest. Not hardest, yep.
Hey, he's not bumping it, he's breathing. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish?
No. Stop. Stop.